Hey yo guys, welcome back. It's your boy T. So today, before we start this whole sea life vlog, I just want to take this moment to wish each and every one of you a happy new year. So stay strong, stay positive, and focus on yourself. So make sure that you guys make the best out of this year and make 2024 a year which you guys will never forget. Yeah, you guys can watch my vlog now. Bye. So I just arrived at Sea Life Melbourne. Located on the corner of Flinders Street and King Street in Melbourne. Open on Monday. Today it's Thursday, 9:30 to 5. Last week that's 4. I gotta put my tickets there, here, on this, so that I can record the whole experience. Buy tickets. Legoland, Discovery Center on sale. I think I'll just go for the general admission. 39, so please note that the Korean blah 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 single admission Sea Life. So what's the time now? Time is maybe I can put it at 1, so that yes. Let's complete this purchase. Let's go. Activity pack 39, GST 336. Ooh, check out. Number. Got it. Let's go. As soon as you enter, they'll ask you to pose for 2 pictures, and it's obviously for your memory. You can either have it online or that's free, but then again, if you want it on a hard copy, you can get that as well at the end of the exploration. Sea Life Melbourne has 15 different attraction points, and this is the first attraction point, which is called the Bay of Rays, Stingrays. So I spent a little time here just going around, exploring the stingrays, finding them. It was a cool experience inside this because that was the first one. Also, if you're wondering what these holes are, it's basically you can go under the whole pond and you can put your head out and ask someone to take a picture from the outside. So the next attraction I'm going towards is the rock pools. In this you get sea stars, coral shrimp and the sea cucumbers. You are able to touch it and experience it, so that's kind of impressive. It gives an immersive experience like this kid is having. I don't know what that kid is feeling, but then again, I mean, that looked cute. So now we are diving into the deep, which is the third attraction point. Also, I just want to let you guys know that if you guys are interested in reading all of these things, trust me, it's very valuable, and I'm very sure that you guys will take something out of it. But unfortunately, I had a lot of things to do and I was limited in time, so I couldn't go through all of it, but I actually did go through certain things. And the next one we're going towards now is Nemo, one of our favorite fish in the ocean, I would say. I mean, you never waste a lot of time finding Nemo because they get the hand.
the sunlight zone. The sperm whale. Sperm whales usually don't live in the ocean, but oh, the sperm zone. Ah, the sperm whale.
So now we're moving towards our fourth attraction point, which is called the Ocean Invaders. I mean, the name says it all, right? So as you go down, you get into this magical place full of jellies and stuff. So this is a jelly here.
It's a jelly. So look at jellyfish.
你别过一个动作，你来回滑。再重新开始啊！
I mean, just look at that jellyfish. I was so confused if this is actually real or not, and it took me a while to actually convince myself that it's actually real, because it's supposed to be real, right? This whole experience inside this whole Jellyland was unreal. I mean, just look at it. Oof.
So this one, I think it's called the moon jellyfish. Moon jelly. Okay, now.
The Jellyland. So this is the all-new Jellyland experience where a mysterious world of jellyfish unfolds. But for this experience, you might have to buy a ticket separately, which is, I think it's totally around 79 with the jellyfish experience. So yeah, you can become a jellyfish scientist and basically have hands-on action feeding them, and of course unlocking a lot of secrets.
Lovely white tawny nurse shark. Now we do also have Fergie, but Fergie's feeling a little shy and she's just been sleeping in our trench.
So kudos to the storytellers at Sea Life. You guys made my experience a really knowledgeable one and added a lot of value to it. So now we're walking towards the crocodile section, which is going to be kind of interesting, I guess. So let's see what's there.
Oh, good.
Hope everyone's eating their broccolis because these fish certainly do and they love it. It's full of the vitamins, obviously, that they need to survive and to grow. Obviously, in the wild, in the Great Barrier Reef, where all these fish are from, they're not eating broccoli. They mostly eat seaweed and algae. However,
Sorry guys, I think I missed a lot of numbers. I couldn't video all the numbers, but then again, currently we are at Seahorse Pier, if that's how it's pronounced. So yep, so you get to see a lot of seahorses, and I mean, we haven't missed anything out here, but then again, it's just the fact that I've missed recording those numbers, you know. But there were a few things which were closed, like the sharks, all of them, the sharks and the stingrays, because that's under renovation at the moment.
So guys, I just finished my tour all down. I went to normal fish, freshwater, the jellyfish, that was beautiful. Now I'm at the crocodile place, as you guys saw here. So that's the crocodile place here.
We're moving into the Rainforest Adventure. So here we got some little cool frogs and turtles, and believe me, they all come in different sizes, shapes, and in all colors. It's like a pretty party of nature happening right here. So yep, so this is the artificial rainforest which they actually created inside the premises. I mean, just look at it, how beautiful. I really wish I could have this same setup inside my house one day. Yeah, probably I should put that into my bucket list. I mean, look at that, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'd stay inside this place for days, bro, for real. This is probably the last stop we're gonna make. So this is the penguins playground, and guys, let me tell you all, this is the part you all don't want to miss. I mean, just look at these little guys. I love the time here. And these guys, they actually come in here and they show you, and they look at you and they just swim back, or they shit in front of you. That's what they do. There you go, they're always there, and there's always someone looking at us. Yep, we've made it to the shop finally. So this is the souvenir shop which you get right at the back, so you might have to exit from this place. It's kind of affordable, but make sure you get something because these things support the animals which are inside. So yeah.
Me for my my rating, I would give this a 10 out of 10. It's a bit more expensive. It's like it's $30 something, $39, but it's worth it. It's worth coming checking it out. So don't forget to come check out Sea Life in Melbourne. So yep, so it's your boy T signing off, and I'll see you with another one. Peace.